Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize your Google Chrome browser to get maximum speed and advanced protection. Let's jump in. Go to your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on settings. Then in left menu pane click on performance. Scroll down. Here you will find memory and you can turn on memory saver so that Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. Just click here to turn it on. By default, balanced is selected. Select maximum to get maximum memory saving, and it will improve your Google Chrome performance significantly. Under speed, you will find preload pages. Just turn on preload pages. Chrome preload pages which make browsing and searching more fast, and select extended preloading, which will be the best choice. Again, click on three dot icon on upper right corner and go to more tools and click on task manager, and here find the extension which using more memory and CPU, and then you need to remove the extensions. Close task manager, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, then go to extensions and click on manage extensions, and you need to turn off and remove extensions as many as possible. Remove all unnecessary extensions from here. Close extension tab and then close settings tab. Now I am going to show you advanced security customization. Again, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, then click on settings. In left menu pane, click on privacy and security. Click on third-party cookies. By default, third-party cookies are allowed, and you can protect malware injection by blocking third-party cookies. To protect your system from malware, select block third-party cookies. Now go one step back, click on security, and here under safe browsing, no protection is selected, but it's not recommended. Best practice is to enable enhanced protection. Scroll down and you need to enable secure connection. Just click here to enable it and keep selected one U for insecure public sites. Under advanced, enable one U if a password was compromised in a data breach. Now use secure DNS. Just turn it on. In select DNS provider, click on the drop down menu and select Cloudflare 1.1.1.1, and this is the best option for secure DNS. Go to the last option here, Google Advanced Protection Program. Click on it. Google's strongest security helps keep your private information safe. Click on Get Started on upper right corner. Enter your Google account password to verify and then click on Next. Scroll down. Here you will get three options, and you have to make sure passkey and security key is created. To create passkey and security key, click on Create Passkey and then recovery phone number. You have to add your recovery phone number and also add your recovery email address. I have set all three options, and then click on Enroll in Advanced Protection. You have successfully enrolled in Advanced Protection, and then click on Done. Now close Advanced Protection and then close Settings. Go to address bar. In address bar, type Chrome/flags and then hit enter. And here in search, type enable parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. Default is selected. Click on the drop down menu and select enabled. Now click on relaunch to restart Chrome browser, and the parallel downloading is enabled right now. Close experiment tab. That's it. These are the best settings to optimize best performance, speed, and advanced security on Google Chrome.